Hello.
Black Jack man.
Who name Salola?
Yeah, who name so?
That we say who name so.
Whoa. This the hostility.
Who name so?
Kizzy.
Yeah.
Kerry is asking who is Lily.
Kerry, you will know who Lily is if she come.
Mark Wagwan.
If Lily turns up, Kerry, you will know who she is.
Oh, Black, I wish run off and I saying catch you. Morning. I wish run off.
That is Mr. Brown and Mr. Powell.
Which constituency is that?
I mean, say Sligoville. Where Nita
Northwest?
I think so.
Oh, so I
Northwest.
want to feel the share seat then.
Huh?
The share seat. I think did you think today? Not today.
I don't know about that side.
No. Well, but come to think of it, hello, may I come down and found alive? I want me on a mother.
Oh, hang on 1 second, mommy.
No, man.
Today no Mother's Day for you. No, you don't forget nothing. Today no Mother's Day for you. No, you don't forget nothing.
A Mother's Day for me every day. And I like you and I
No,
like your
sir.
mother. Come out of mother argument.
I don't say me not like no mother attack. I see you greedy. You want
When I
thief
like your
UK mother give.
Then
You
I like
want thief UK's mother give.
You don't like
Yes, that's different. Yes.
Yes, Jen said ever run the JLP, you know.
The last meeting when they have
Winston, you don't know much like a strike. Let me mute you.
last meeting when Matthew did the upper St. Andrew with my man, they went Frit. You say you take Clifford say you have on this a seat or something. Now which candidate want put up here because one good candidate.
Why? Me like how Labour Party is bubbling with confidence. Everybody now believes that the freedom constituency can be win. Can be.
This a seat I can't win, you know. Southeast St. Andrew can't win, you know, because man not gain no traction. The other side, man not gain no traction. In weak.
After at least on a seat?
Yeah, man, weak up here, man. One good candidate up here, man.
So Mark, see, have one candidate down there walk the ground. Have one man down there named Eslap walk the ground. So, say you want the seat for second. What you mean?
Eslap, miss, we not even see Eslap. We not even see Eslap in our constituency, miss. We not even see him. We not even know Eslap.
But Eslap, but me stay foreign and see him down there walk. So how you not see him?
Me not see Eslap.
Mark, can I ask a question, Mark? Good morning.
I'm asking, who is the PNP candidate?
Dr. Kenneth Russell.
Okay.
You see him down there?
Russell?
Yeah.
No, as me say in week in our constituency, again attraction, again attraction.
All right, cool. So hold on. You don't work at daytime?
Slap strong, weak, soft down there, but me know say I am my candidate way down there for the Jamaica Labour Party. Whether it's settled or not, I cannot say, but I know that he has been walking the seat because me see him down there with teams out a walk. So I'm there foreign. So me don't know Mark, I no see, me don't know.
As me say, everybody now is bubbling with confidence and everybody want to win for them constituency. So the party under pressure.
Me gonna say something, right? Sometimes I think we not take a step back and look on things on a realistic basis, right? Say when me live at West Kingston, I one time ever see Edward Siaga in my division. I've never seen Desmond Mackenzie there, right? You know why? For the most part, me there work. But then that means I don't walk up and down. Me see the man of the constituency, I'm live in Europe, brother. If you there work at the time, you hardly go see him,
But I'm going to ask a question that a lot of MPs ask all the time. Why do you need to see the MP walking up and down? We're talking where you want to look on the MP face for. You know the MP. What you need to see is the work being done. And the constituency in a little. And I want like a piece of something. So you will see MP every now and then. Once in a blue moon. Or you make appointment to see them at them office. But you cannot see them throughout the constituency right through and through. What you need to see is work being done. And if you call an office and ask for a request for something or whatever it needs be, then that time they can say, okay, then you request the presence. We need to stop act as if MP's job have to consider a yard and chat with we. Yes, you need their presence, but you don't need their presence like how Jamaican people are look for MP presence. Every jump on you want them, every walk they walk you want to them. No, it can't go so. You need... Go ahead.
No. I was just saying a constituency is not an avenue.
Yeah, you need infrastructure. You need road. You need water. You need basic needs that you know say them supposed to provide as member of parliament. If you have one candidate now, we are trying to win a seat now, then you know you want to see ma get to know the people them, walk and meet and greet and get to know the people. But MPs, come on. Jesus Christ. I don't know who no one sit down and laptop with them.
Miss Chin, me down a Northeast Centre for 3 weeks in the last year, and I want to miss Matthew. So by the metric that means him not doing no work.
You understand? You look, you see many at all. Especially when you have an MP that is a minister. Come on.
A minister, yeah.
Yeah, when I'm a minister, they tie up with a lot of work. Sometimes they have to all overseas.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Sometimes they have to be overseas. And sometimes they do. I can't tell anybody for a fact. You see, Colonel Charles Jr. leave Southeast Clarendon every single day, except on a Saturday. Every single day, he will leave here by 10, 11 o'clock in the night. No joke. I'm a work for Colonel, so when I tell you no this and a lie, I tell you no. He left Parliament on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, sometimes Thursdays, and he left Parliament and come to Southeast Clarendon every single day.
Yeah, man, you have a good member of Parliament, trust me.
On Fridays, he push and try and fight so hard to go home early. Can't say my Sabbath.
You might go
because to try hard to go home early on a Friday night. And sometimes it don't work out. He still have to dip on the road late.
He might have big shoes to fit, because his father have served this country and the party with so much grace and love. So
sometimes it's not easy.
Well,
no.
Mark Gambot in business. 1 minute, Winston. Mark Gambot in business, but see Sasha Holiday in the comments. She said Eslap is in the area up and down every day, even doing multiple videos with his team. Because me know say the man down there and the man a walk and a firing me there. Steve, you're saying you love Miss Vaz. You're saying you love Miss Vaz because she's always with the people, and I am telling you that even Miss Vaz, people still complain so they don't see her. Still complain so they don't see her. They want her to come and they not see her. So and you Steve, I don't know where you are, which part you live, whatever. I myself have not seen my MP in a long time. I mean, why you tell me some they are foreign. Me no see her in a bless her in my yard side and Miss Vaz office na there 5 minutes from my yard. But me no see her, and I know because me no want to see her. If me don't want to see her, me know where she there, but me no, she not live on the street. She out at the door. And sometimes when she's in the constituency, she have specific places that she's going. She not walk up and down the road like Madman. She got specific places and know that she's walking communities. People will see her. But when she's around, when she come, she have office duties to take care of, and she have her specific projects that she have to go and check on. She have to meet sometime with other people from the various stakeholders in the constituencies. She have meetings. She have constituents who set appointment to come and meet with her at the office. So it's not so easy for people. So when people say them not see her, them want to see her, whatever. I don't understand it. Me not get it. But me know me and me also understand the importance of the MP not being disconnected from the constituents.
Yeah.
But I am saying with all I wanna we see my MP and see how active she's on the ground. I am saying that to say that there are still persons who complain that they don't see her. So when me hear somebody come and say they not see the man and they not see the me have to wonder because I mean me don't know who Mark is, but I was not going to back and forth with him because they him a say the man him not say the man and him want the seat for settle. You don't make them kind of talk the when you don't know what go on. Cause obviously somebody in the seat.
But
And
somebody
because
put
you
in the
not see him no
comment.
means that the person not active because other people see him.
But somebody put in the
Sashana, can
comment
you tell
saying
us his TikTok page?
Mark is not in Jamaica.
One session craft, second craft. May I ask her for your TikTok page? Sasha, do you know his TikTok page? Heslop, that is? Because you say Heslop take pictures and something. So maybe Heslop posting videos that we don't know about. So maybe you need to see something like that. This is a work is being done. I don't know. I'm just suggesting. So if there's a TikTok page and you know it, let us know it. So we can share it and something.
He slapped upon the ground. The man I walk up and down. The man even get G2K to come and walk with him. You think if you're not serious about your walks, you'd be getting help from the other arms of the Jamaica Labour Party? No way.
You see,
But
all right.
Kizzy,
Steve
somebody
said
He
say
never,
he's
he
not
never,
in
say,
what
he
he
never
Jamaica,
say.
you
said
know.
that neither, Steve. Don't say that. The man
Well,
never
I
said
know,
that.
but make way. But Kizzy, make you say at that him say, right? I'm going to example or something. Me a match up on the road. I will with the outer prairie side. I will want to head back to Ocherios. One straight road that you know. And the amount of stop we stop in between for meet people and greet people and certain things. Remember, you know, the man who said the man up on the ground. And we need to head to we never reach Ocherios now, you know. We have to postpone it if it's a following day just based on the type of things the work we have to do and meet people and stuff and them something there. So sometimes so Ochi people don't say, boy, him not come down here, I wanna see him not Ochi and this and that. We not see him exchange, we not see him yeah, so we not see. I saw the thing go. People don't understand, even at East Portland, imagine Miss Vata left more town. Forgot a long road. You know how far that?
Punkos,
You
me
know,
get history now. You see, if me up on the road, I'm not the MP, but when I go out there on behalf of the MP, you see the minute people know say you come on behalf of the MP, you see when they start chat, if your goal was to reach at least 20, 30 people for the day, that cut down to all 10, you know. As you
all
quit
10.
at night, you know. Because when people
Yeah.
buck you up and start talk about politics, you know, you can't run them way and say, oh, me have to leave, no, me can't talk to you. You have to stand there and you have to interact. So when an MP go out there, their aim is to maybe try and cover 2-3 communities in a day. Sometimes they can't done one. Because me and an MP and me can't get a chance to talk to 10 people good. Because as 2 people reach you so, and then know say your MP send you away, then down in your years, they want to give much message, them are complaining about this, about that, all kind of things, and you can't run them way. You have to stand up and listen. So how we think the MPs are going to cover one whole community in a one day and cover a whole constituency? It is impossible. Info, we just a chat here. What? Info, me not drop no word pan you, darling.
Yeah, we have to understand, say, at the end of the day, the candidate and the MP them are human as well. They need time for themselves, they need time for family, and anybody can have a burnout. Believe you me. And I'm a person who involved in politics. And me see in a Portland here, where me dep on the road every single day, and especially in the local government election. Me see them the PMP put up candidate. I'm on the road every day and I've never met that PMP candidate. Never see him. Never see him. I'm up on the road every day and involved in a politics with my party. So I just say go. I mean, never see a PMP candidate ever come on my yard yet and say them I look the vote. Never. So system work.
Understand the people them know you who them not want your vote.
Nobody never come on my yard yet.
After none can so brave to come in my yard neither, you mad? Nobody can try that.
And I'm not a hostile person. Very accommodating. But they just start with me.
Look very hostile, them know them have to come in my yard.
That's how you go. So,
Hostile. I want one of them think them bad and try to come here so. You must be mad.
but as I say, Miss Chin, it seems that the whole 63 constituency is bubbling with confidence. So everybody want to get a good candidate, and everybody
I'm
want
not calling people them and say yes, then can win JLP.
everybody is bubbling with confidence. Want win one in constituency now in the green column. So I don't know.
Don't be surprised if nobody no go vote for Rotten Teeth, you know. Don't be surprised if the PMP them stay warm. Remember me tell you that the PMP them not like Rotten Teeth.
Me know, man. Me know.
And I guess you know.
You don't care about nobody, Miss Chin.
Yeah, my family them and my friend them in a pain land.
Yes, it's a woman ban and tell your husband. That woman care about nobody.
Me go a pain land after you know when me know me attack, then can't stand Rotten Teeth in there. But then just die at it and fool. So don't be surprised if they abandon her.
You know, Winston, I believe this election is going to bring out some surprises where Jamaica not prepare for. And me not talk about the Jamaica Labour Party not winning this election because me certain, like I'm certain of my name, so the Jamaica Labour Party will win. And just like sometimes me and Punko sing Ghana, you know, me know in Ghana. Sometimes me and him they behind the scenes and we have really good conversations about seats and stuff. Cause I know everything can discuss publicly. And me say this to him all the time, like, you know, like when we discuss like strategy and why this seat not getting the attention. And I've been saying it. The Jamaica Labour Party don't need 49 MPs to win. The Jamaica Labour Party don't need to win 49 seats. The Jamaica Labour Party no need for win all of that. So we know say we are going to win and we will be in the third term. So you see those other seats where the plus and the Muller plus stuff in the rundown, them have to come out and put out them best. Because it's up to those individuals. Because remember, I know, me I go say this, whether you like it or not, the party have a campaign and you are going to see some seats get more attention and more support from Belmont Road than others. Because you have to have a specific target to win. And if you as a person, if you are a representative in the house and you know, say, you have one of them seats where might not be on one of the targeted lists because the MP them know. Them have to go try, he champ on the coattail, but them have to go stand up for themselves. So it come down to candidate battle. Because at the end of the day, it's up to you if you want to return to Garden House. The party are going to do them part. The party has been doing its part. The government, the Jamaica Labour Party administration, reform the government has been doing its part. You should have been doing your part as an MP over whether you did it from 2016 or you did it now since 2020, right? The 2020 MPs then get it rough because them coming in a COVID time. But you know what? During COVID, you were not able to maybe do the big infrastructure and the big structural changes, but it was a time when you could really bond with your constituents because most of the work being done during that time was personal touch. You know, a lot of MPs were doing their care packages and their give back that the various government programs. So you even you as a 2020 MP, you should have such a good relationship with your constituents that you should be the one where did I tell them from one time, say, Miss Matty, say by right we should be focusing on the road where you want or what that was the mandate, but due to the pandemic. But guess what? We can't do that now. But I am here with you during this time. Here is your care packages. Here is your little change from the government, whichever way. Yeah. So now that we are in this the final stretch to go to the finish line, you have to know, say, your work should be able to stand up and speak for itself, right? So all who think say the Prime Minister's coattail, Andrew's coattail is long enough. Me not doubt that. The Prime Minister's coattail long enough. He's that loved by the people. He's that people trust him. The man has done every single thing for help every sitting MP where we have right now. We have seen where a lot of them have gotten their projects done. Him do the house. Remember, each MP 5 house, 5 hope house. Plus, you can get indigent housing from the local government minister. If you have not cut any ribbon with the Prime Minister as a sitting MP in the last 5 years, you have nobody to blame but your damn self. Yourself.
Kizzy,
So when
I
it
just
comes
say-
down to the latter of it, we are finished now, Mr. Winston. When it comes down to the latter end of it right now, you have to know, say, you have to stand up and bring out your people if you want to be among the 50, the 49, the 53, the 55, because of them number of seats that may have seen at the Jamaica Labour Party column, if everybody applies themselves accordingly. You have it, Mr. Winston.
Yeah, there's one thing I want to say that it was such amazing to see the Prime Minister on the weekend here in St. Mary giving that senior citizen that gift basket. I think I first ever see something like that.
The senior citizen was giving the Prime Minister the gift basket.
Was it that way or it was the other way
No,
around?
the senior citizen was giving the Prime Minister the gift basket. And they gave one to Matthew Samuda as well. It is the people from the community of Mason. I believe in that community, that senior citizen, the lady, she's like 92 or 94.
Yeah, she's very old.
So she was the one gifting the Prime Minister the gift basket.
Okay, well, maybe the TikTok page have got the information wrong because they said that the Prime Minister was giving her the basket.
Information was definitely wrong. I was watching the thing live. And they were so grateful that they finally have water. They felt like they wanted to give back something to the Prime Minister. She was even saying that the neeseberries from her trees. So it was like neeseberry and banana and stuff in the basket. So they gifted it to the Prime Minister.
Yeah, so I just say that to say this, Kizzy, that when you say that the Prime Minister quote is very long, to draw ground. Very long, Kizzy. It's drawing a ground, and everybody wants.
It is very long, but people, the MPs themselves and the candidates themselves, they have to get up and do their part. The Prime Minister quote long for you because him carry through the local government election. Now, Steve JLP, I don't know what you disagree with me. I don't know what I said that for you to disagree with, but the boxes are there. There are 2 empty boxes. You can come tell me what you disagree with. Prime Minister coattail very long. I remember a couple months ago, Ivor Cliff Hughes and some of them were coming to talk about the Prime Minister lose shine. Live from the pit of hell. Andrew is even loved and more respected today than ever before because the people know that they can trust his word. And they know that when he makes a commitment, he follow through. Him no come no him no do no empty promises. Prime Minister coattail well long.
If I believe that the Prime Minister is love, look when he was in the market buying the carrots and the ginger and whatsoever.
Everywhere him go, they love him. Anywhere. Everywhere him go. The people them come out for him.
The man is very down to earth. You hear me? Very down to earth. The man, when the man there at the National Stadium, he support the peanut man. If he going at the market, he support the vendors. Everywhere this man go, he support the Jamaican local people.
Correct. So Bounty around come out.
We have the PG do not like that, yeah? Eh?
Bounty around come a Hilton seat. He might run up and down.
My guy right place, man. He go
He
end up
going
a
to get a
river.
beating down there.
He go
I'm
end up
hoping
over
get a
river
beating
town.
there. I'm hoping get a beating there too. He might run. He not start run it.
So them going to kick up Hilton.
You know here where I go on. Big one in a PMP camp.
Aye. He might got the right place, man.
He might kick out Hilton and problem.
He's heading closer to the Riverton landfill.
What the people them vote him out.
This is the rumor, you know.
The comment to me a comment.
We
And
will
I type
see.
and I say,
What you
Come
say?
from the
Telling
PMP camp. It'll come right from the PMP camp. Somebody bust it out.
I get some good information from out Westmoreland and Hanover. People them don't want change, but they know all about the people them. And the heap of young boy them. The heap of tall up and them thing there. And the people them say once you get rid of them may have a better headway if you go. The heap of boy them done them and do the arms house them man. And them say Green Bay police station now did nothing. I'm a poll with the criminal them too. Then I know over there.
For them days is coming, man. Watch and see. Oh, my girl gone?
Yeah, man. Only part I slap myself go and do that. There's someone in a Westmoreland, man. People might come play and get tired.
St. James, we all going down Montego Bay. Everybody's on their way down.
The Black King, are good?
Black King.
Yeah, I'm doing good. How are you doing?
Good, man.
Morning to you, St. Catherine. How is it going? Pull up.
Sparkle, Winston. Yeah, protected. Antoine.
He's in a Richard.
Okay.
Hey, good morning. I'm busy.
I'm gonna get a voice note, man.
Okay.
I said, don't call me name, you know.
Morning.
Because people are listening, you know.
Good morning.
Tino, hold on the guys. More understand what Tino say. Morning, Tino. What go on? Where you say?
No, I said me get some information from one of my virgins from down Westmoreland, but I said enough call him name. I'm tell you, say yesterday the police station in Green Bay, them walkless, them not do nothing. I say, me type out which part, he might tell me say which part, the whole of the young boy them have up all of the machine them there. He might say Lagwood, Marchtown, and Orange Bay. And that's all of the nastiness are go on.
The tuggy them there, so.
Yeah, I say that's all of them are scared the people them done there. So the people them kind of scared of them done there. So I must say, hey, if the government can do something like sending people to start looking into them 3 areas there in Hanover, that stand a good chance with the government. You gotta clear out them out of the district. I must say, 3 family, my grandniece, in niece, and in mad sister, one boy will come from Clarendon, we run from down there. Him have them as a teacher, them use the 3 of them as sex slave.
Blessed morning, everybody.
Blessed good morning.
Blessed.
Blessed, my boss.
Most of the people them done the afraid of them done there, you know?
You know, so me and some
The
cousin
boy
down
a
in
real
a
criminal
Westmoreland
from
there.
Clarendon.
Yeah, family member with
Yes, sir.
Holland.
No, me one of my
No,
brethren that talk
in a
about it, you know.
Westmoreland. Me have some Earl down there. But me
Okay.
me and them not that close, but me have some cousin down there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but me know, as me say,
Hold on there, guys. Hold on 1 minute. Let me talk to Carol Smith. Carol Smith. I don't understand how you see the propaganda video, but you don't see. Let me, as a matter of fact, before me even look at no man, Carol Smith. You see, me not really like target on no accounts, you know. But you see, if you come here, if you come create no problem. If you see the propaganda, you're supposed to see also the correct information. And this is why I suspect sometimes that these kind of accounts are troll accounts, right? And you come to make problem in the comment section or to distract us. But you make a fool of yourself if you don't think so. All well-thinking labor rights who depend on social media are supposed to follow the Prime Minister's account. And if there's an issue with water, you're supposed to follow the Matthew Samuda because he's the Minister of Water. Right? So just like you see the propaganda, you're supposed to see the facts. No, the Prime Minister not take back no water down at St. Mary. So no make me cuss as Pani Sunday. Yeah. Don't we can't stand for soon with the foolishness.
Rise up the pressure, yeah. Jamaican fool black people call about them business, yeah. Let that rise up the pressure, kids. Jam jackass fool people.
Not such nonsense. I don't think Andrew Wellness have time for joke. These like a small-minded foolishness. You don't think the Prime Minister have time for left Kingston, go St. Mary, go do bullshit in our community?
Eh? In a community of over 1,100 citizens? Oh, God.
You see?
Make a big mole over with them. That's why I can't take when we tune into PNP because all you bring to the platform, only not come with not enough sense. We not come only with propaganda and PNP garbage. Now if I that you no want tune in to go on over the PNP people and page, man.
But the question is to Carol Smith. Which one I believe? The one where the Prime Minister having the weapon ceremony, turning on the tap, addressing the citizen, or you have the one where them plies it with the Water Commission van. Which one of them you believe? Where is these people logics?
Sometimes I just fed up at the foolishness because I don't know which sensible person would I see that video and think it makes sense. The distraction of the PNP to spread rumors about every little thing and to make a big issue and tell lies, it will not win them any vote. Because the only thing they might do and make the government ministers and the MPs come explain the process even better for more people understand. So they think they're throwing dirt on the Prime Minister's name or on the achievements of the government, and it is only growing seed because it only proves more and more how lie and thief comrades are.
Come Monday morning, the citizens of Mason Hall can go to Port Maria, go start to make the application for getting their water connected to their residents. Right? You believe those 1,100 citizens that propaganda video is going to tell them otherwise? Eh? When the people them live it, see it, witness it, and can go Port Marino and Water Commission office go apply for them water connection. Bloody hell. What's wrong with we people, man? Are we still living on the plantation?
It's just she type back something that say, Anna, that she mean. This is what I'm saying. I don't like the drunker them. I'm not call a name there, signify that name there, you know. You see, all I'm telling you say them allergic to anything good. And every data manifest, day by data manifest, them like not know a good man. You see, if you give them a belly full and give them something to them and adapt them love. That's the only two code them govern by now. Handout and belly in front of them.
Gimme.
They're not like nothing good. They're allergic to good. Go ahead, Alton.
No, I'm gonna say that. That's all the PMP they want is hands out. That's all. You know? They don't want nothing good.
That's why you spend time.
Morning, people.
When you that talk, is it that talk, you know? I agree with that, you know. So if you stop waste time on people, because if people can't change and them have a mindset and them can't change, if you stop waste time with them and stop go over them when name there, them platform. We spend a lot of time at debunk foolishness. And I listen to foolishness and garbage. Concentrate on where we have right here. So no, cause let me tell you something. You see that platform, yeah? And millions of people worldwide that listen to it. And then she say we are make sense. So why we are make sense and we have to go which part of mad house there? If you try to inject sense in a person who don't want it.
Progress. We don't want progress.
We don't want progress. They don't want nothing good out of life. So why we have to go intercede and interject in a for them lifestyle for? We know we want good, so we concentrate on we will want good and the people who were like-minded like ourselves. We can't concentrate on cruff all the while. And waste of resource that you know, and waste of mind power and waste of energy that you know. You are 47-year-old, you are 50-year-old, you are 60-year-old, and you still jump up to the day in 2025. I jump up for a non-progressive party. We keep on a bandage and keep on if you have a mindset of dependable.
Give them a box and that's it.
A box with a party. I say a New York. When time Mr. Vegas did a stand up for me. When time nobody now stand up. What them do? Give them a party and nothing for drink with it. In a big New York.
Not a thing for drink with it.
Not a thing for drink with it. A dry party them get. Yeah man, go ahead.
Morning, everybody. Sorry for that. The work that you guys are doing here, it is so important that you wouldn't believe it. I said last week, Sunday, we have this conversation. We had a teacher here. There are 120,000 people who benefited from the restructuring of the wages. We need to hear from them. We have 3 councillors in Bobby Montague constituency. The water was turned on into their area Friday. Today is Sunday. I hear this conversation coming up from Saturday. So the water turned off. Where are these councillors? Where are the people who are laborites in this constituency? We need to get them to come and set these things straight. We can stay up online and we can argue, yes, but the proof is on the ground. Where are the people on the ground who are benefiting?
It was addressed Kingston 11. There's an entire video.
No, but it keep coming again. It keep coming.
Yeah, but and I'm gonna say this. This is why I say we don't waste time to answer every nonsense what the PMP say or do.
Correct.
Because if you do that, we will get nothing accomplished. Can you imagine if the Prime Minister was sitting down every day, calling press conference, sitting in front of the camera to debunk lies?
Kizzy, I think it is in kid division. If kid did come and say it's a lie, it done this so nobody couldn't come again.
Call him up, can come on this. I give him my
You understand? That's how I'm asking you, Kizzy. But all the people are accountable on the ground.
You shall St. Mary, right?
Me have interest in St. Mary. Me there England.
Oh, in England.
But me have
Everybody
interest in
has
St. Mary.
number calling.
Anything happening in St. Mary affect me.
I miss Chin then.
Miss Chin there Clarendon.
But she probably have him number. I can come on and talk.
Oh.
You understand what I say, Kizzy?
Who come on and talk?
The people on the ground need to come out. That's all I say.
No, Kingston 11. Me disagree. What is the people on the ground? The people on the ground know says a lie. They know they are in water. And people on social media make it be a problem to them.
Okay.
If I'm me alone, me not care 1 bit. Because me know say the Prime Minister go give them water. Matthew Samuda go give them water.
But Kizzy, why the Prime Minister would give them water and take it back? That
But Sparkle, why them? The Prime Minister give water almost every week. They will see give water down at St. Elizabeth. We never seen no story about that come up. So why would not go St. Mary go to the St. Mary people that?
If I me take it up back now. Me take back that right now if it's me.
A PMP has spread propaganda.
It is a propaganda, Black King. I know the people in the ground.
And they take them and say they saying take it back, King. Well, you see what them are saying? Them put a water commission van there and them run something like one hose and say the water was coming from the water commission van. So these people are so gullible.
PMP, man, wicked.
So all on the Winston.
Oh, God.
So what's so hard for the council?
Besides, Matthew.
Yeah. Even the dog are listen to where data.
When the Prime Minister come with Master Shamuda and him turn on the pipe, how you see come out of it? The pipe him see with the blue something around it, the ribbon around it. Now water you see come out of it. So where's that truck? We never see that truck. We never see that truck there.
We don't need a stress fund. We don't need a stress fund.
That's why you see me despite the people that deep passion, you know.
No, but seriously,
me call him in a man.
No sensible Jamaican really address that, you know. And every foolish shit if we address.
No sensible Jamaican, we're not supposed to address that. But we're supposed to bypass that.
Matthew Samuda did immediately after Matthew Samuda come out and explain the process and how it is done and finish. So for somebody to come now and come say something, me just know say it's a joke. It can be a serious person who will come now and come bring up like that. Because if you see the propaganda,
just to show how shallow-minded
the propaganda, you must see the facts.
And the Prime Minister left and go Mango Valley go tell people and say, listen, my office have give the directive to the National Work Agency to continue and finish the road in Mango Valley. That's what the people in St. Mary want to hear. So propaganda, reality. Let me say something. Propaganda can be reality, you know. When the people them are living the reality are totally different something, brother.
That's true, but guess what? We expect the PMP them to do that.
Mr. Palmer.
They're losing ground. The PMP them losing a lot of ground. So
Plumber, when a taximan applying a route, you see, let's say from Rockabessa to Mango Valley, or from Mango Valley to Ochirayos, and the road is bad. So it minimizes the amount of round trip one can make. Now when the rest of the road is going to be fixed and it can able for the 10 or 15 round trip for the day. That's the reality that him will go to the poll and go vote on, you know. Because what happened because of better road, he will earn more from the taxi and he will also save more because he will have less wear and tear on the vehicle. That's the reality, brother. So people can always go and chat for propaganda.
Let's just start the good Labour Party. I do you not pay the people in their mind. What time we are tuning to Montego Bay? What time we start?
I don't know, no. But in for me that we make the link and then I think Black King will carry it.
Yes. Now watch it here, we can go in the YouTube and get it live too, man.
Yeah.
Mr. Winston.
Hey, soldier, what on?
Yeah, when people are spreading propaganda, people must go back to what the Prime Minister and Mr. Samuda said. When they open the pipe down at St. Elizabeth, Mr. Samuda said, Mr. Prime Minister, it come like every week you go cut ribbon, you know, the pipe, you know. So you have to prepare for it.
Yeah. I don't know. I'm seeing everybody else's box is empty. I'm only seeing myself in the box.
No, man.
Yeah. Everyone over there.
All right, but let me jump out and come back because I don't know why. All right.
Yeah, the box them full.
Yeah, he specifically tell the Prime Minister say, boy, every week I have to go cut ribbon, you know, because every week a project will open. But you see, people are coming there like a propaganda thing, brother. Yeah, we have to pay that no man because if you watch the drum and see how the drum come over the actual place we party in Cut everybody, you see the truck park up behind it?
The reality is soldier. When people listen to the budget the other day, and when the finance minister said, when the water commission approached her concerning their allocation to the water ministry, it was her biggest yes. She never contemplate about it to say yes to give the $10 billion towards water project. So when people listen to that and know that listen, come this budget year, there's a possibility that their community will be on the list to get potable water. That's what the people want to hear. That's what the people will go out to the poll and vote for.
Definitely.
Right? When Mark Golding depend Dan Jackson Miller program, I'm going to tell him, say, when in farm government, he might go discontinue some of the JLP policy. The people, they might go vote against Mark Golding because they know, say, listen, if Mark Golding turn prime minister, he might go take the 10 billion from water ministry and go fund in social program. Right?
I get gun, man.
And so they don't get the water.
Exactly,
So the
Mr.
people might
Winston.
make sure, say, Mark Golding can't do that because they want the water them away for 50 years.
Okay, Winston. Remember, you know, when Berry blow, you know, I'm Mark Golding go down there with the go down at St. Elizabeth with the entourage. Do you care drink of water with him?
No.
Okay.
Hey, let me tell you something. When Jiggs Ennis was member of parliament in West Portland for 18 and a half years, Jiggs Ennis' biggest project in West Portland was for $28 million for run pipeline. And a liter of water never run through the pipeline even for energize it. Yeah? When they run the 4-inch galvanized pipeline, put in the pump and one galvanized tank. And the tank they run it down and take back the pump and the wall of the pipeline dig up back. And a liter of water never run through it.
And the people in protest for years for water run it so down.
And that was his biggest project in West Portland for the 18 years in Duya. 28 million. You hear me, brother?
Me know.
And now run above place symmetry car and the tank they are running down.
The big tank run this up. Ah, Jesus.
Is it better now, kids?
Thing is normal now. I don't know. Sometimes, you know, the app glitch. But Protecting J, good morning. We have been in the box for a while. You're quiet.
Protecting J, a cooking color, man.
Morning, family. I come home, you know, so when I come home, I can rest. So I go and listen to one.
Oh.
I listen, man. Me kind of in some little unstable internet, so that's why I'm not really come up yet. I soon come out.
All right, brother.
Mr. Man, the Jamaican people, come have to know what they want. We can't help everybody, you know. But we can help the handful or we can't help, you know. And if a dog want food, you come at your yard and wig in tail, don't it?
Correct.
And if you want to starve to death, you time on a tree and you stay up there and starve to death.
Tina, last night you just say me come under a lot of pressure because me share one opinion, man. But you see, all right. We were having a conversation where me think makes sense, and then we get distracted because we gone clear up something when not necessarily clear up. You know what I mean?